Good evening, Richmond County, and welcome to your Thursday edition of Live at 5. I'm Russell Parker. Over 7,000 North Carolinians have tested positive for COVID-19. The North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services is reporting 253 deaths that are in relation to coronavirus. 93 counties have seen at least one confirmed case, while 7 remain clear. 486 people are currently hospitalized. The department is also reporting 28 positive cases for Richmond County, along with 2 deaths. While there is no change in deaths, the case count has went up by 6 since yesterday. The counties with the highest number of cases are Mecklenburg, Wake, and Wayne counties. Mecklenburg has over 1,300 confirmed cases and 33 deaths. Wake shows over 600 cases and 11 deaths, and Wayne has 569 cases and 6 deaths. Neighboring Moore County has the highest in surrounding counties, standing at 67 cases and 2 deaths. With the weather warming up, the city of Rockingham's annual free Plaza Jam concert series was set to start next month, but with the coronavirus pandemic still keeping some businesses closed and groups of people to less than 10, organizers have been forced to cancel the May event. Events planner Kim Williams told the Richmond Observer on Tuesday that the community's safety and well-being is their top priority, and they will announce details about the June concert in the coming weeks. Gary Louder and Smoking Hot were supposed to take the stage on May 7th at Cole Plaza in downtown Rockingham from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. This was to be the band's first appearance at Plaza Jam. A group of First Help volunteers transitioned from toy making to mask making in support of hospital staff during COVID-19. Within 2 weeks, community volunteers made more than 1,700 masks to ensure healthcare workers have sufficient personal protective equipment to prevent infection and spread. First Health infectious diseases physician Paul Jawanda said most standard surgical masks do not effectively filter small particles from the air like a N95 mask, which is why a steady supply is vital right now. With their sewing talent and experience crafted stuffed toys for young patients, toy maker volunteers were natural fits for the mask making job. Linda Stooksbury, a toy maker volunteer for 4 years, says she was more than happy to help. She goes to More Regional about once a week to get additional materials and drop off completed masks. All volunteers are able to pick up the necessary supplies from More Regional and work on the masks from home. Members of the Sand Hills Quilters Guild, Christ Community Church, and groups from Pinewild and Donald Ross neighborhood are also getting involved, along with individual at-home volunteers. Individuals or groups interested in volunteering can contact the Volunteer Services Department for more information. Mask materials can be provided curbside to maintain social distancing. 273,699 North Carolinians have received unemployment benefits from the state's Division of Employment Security since March 15th. To date, more than 705,000 people have filed claims, DES says. North Carolina, which ranks last in the nation at making timely payments to people who qualify for unemployment insurance, is working hard to manage the onslaught of claims due to COVID-19, said Lockhart Taylor, Assistant Secretary for Employment Security at the North Carolina Department of Commerce. But still more people are set to swarm DES after Governor Roy Cooper on Tuesday expanded unemployment insurance to include furloughed workers. The department is in somewhat uncharted territory, Taylor told a House committee on Tuesday. Its call team is bombarded daily with roughly 80,000 calls. Taylor said that eclipses numbers the department saw during the 2009 recession and Hurricane Florence. By Friday, DES plans to have more than 1,000 workers manning the telephones. The department hopes to field 33,000 calls each day. The department is looking into an instant message option that may help cut call volume. When we return, we've got your Live at 5 weather report. It's coming up right after the break, so stay tuned.
Do you want a healthcare career? Certified medical assistants are multi-skilled healthcare professionals capable of completing administrative and clerical tasks, making them a valuable member of the healthcare team at medical clinics, doctors' offices, and other healthcare facilities. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, The employment of medical assistants is projected to grow 23% over the next 8 years, much faster than the national average. At Richmond Community College, our medical assisting students are trained in our cutting-edge Simulation Learning Center, giving them hands-on experience with high-fidelity mannequins that simulate real-life patient interaction. In addition to clinical skills, our students also receive instruction in scheduling appointments, coding, processing insurance accounts, billing, collections, and medical transcription. Complete the medical assisting program in just 2 years and start your lifelong career today. Visit www.richmondcc.edu to learn more about enrolling in the medical assisting program at Richmond Community College or call 910-410-1700.
McNair Auto Sales is the place to buy your pre-owned car, truck, or van. To be the best, it takes big selection, friendly staff, and great pricing. We guarantee a no-hassle buying experience, and financing is available right on site. So come see us today. We're located at 1026 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham. And remember, with over 40 years of experience, you know McNair is the name you can trust.
At Richmond County Hospice, we strive to provide high-quality care to our patients and their families. Whether it's the incredible hospitality at the Haven House or from the comfort of your own home, you can count on hospice to be there for you. We also offer monthly grief support groups, and our chaplain will be there to hold your hand in prayer. Through our amazing staff and our volunteers, hospice has made difficult times easier for our community. Call the number on your screen if you feel that you or your loved one may benefit from our services. Richmond County Hospice. Peace, comfort, dignity.
JC's in Rockingham has you covered for used appliances, parts, trailers, and storage. We have one of the largest selections of reconditioned washers, dryers, and refrigerators in the Sand Hills, and we offer free delivery to residents inside Richmond County. Come check out our variety of trailers for any hauling job and our storage buildings for the things you need out of the weather or house. We also carry parts and accessories for appliances, trailers, truck beds, and can order the things you need. That's JC's on South Hancock Street in Rockingham.
Hometown heroes? Well, maybe. When it comes to backyard comfort and no pesky mosquitoes, call Brown Termite and Pest Control at 910-895-6410 or 910-276-8870. Their team of superheroes can take back control of your paradise. That's 910-895-6410 today.
Your Live at 5 weather report is brought to you by RO Yellow, Richmond County's new online business directory. Happy Thursday, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. It has been a dreary day, though, so maybe not quite as wonderful as say it was yesterday. Nevertheless, though, it is kind of welcoming to see a little bit of rain just to kind of wash all that pollen away. So looking at tonight, though, we're not done with rain just yet. 67 degrees at 7 o'clock with a 70% chance of precipitation, and we'll have a 60% precipitation at 9 o'clock with 63 degrees. Sunset's going to be at 7:59 with a new moon. Now taking a look at at the Sand Hills weather forecast, you can see that rain is still on the way for tomorrow. Fayetteville will be a high of 80, low of 58. Rayford high of 80, low of 58. Down in Lumberton be a high of 80 and a low of 59 there. You can see we got some really high temperatures tomorrow despite the rain being in the forecast. Southern Pines will be seeing a high of 79, a low of 56. Eller will be a high of 78, low of 57. Rockingham and Hamlet high of 79, low of 57. Down in Bennettsville will be a high of 80 and a low of 59. And across the PD in Wadesboro will be seeing a high of 79 and a low of 57. Once again, rain throughout the day, all day tomorrow. And you can see on the 7-day forecast that is going to be the case. High of 79, low of 57. That will only be a 30% chance tomorrow. But still, rain's going to be out in the afternoon pretty much all day. And then in the evening, it should be gone. But thunderstorms will be returning on Saturday with a high of 77, low of 58. 40% chance of it, about a 50% chance of it. And it's kind of give or take there, but I do expect to see some pop-ups in the area. Sunday, partly cloudy skies with a high of 74, low of 47. But on Monday, we got sunny skies returning with a high of 67 and a low of 44. Now, looking at Tuesday, we're getting back into the 70s from there. High of 75, low of 57, partly cloudy skies. Wednesday, thunderstorms returning with a high of 76 and a low of 55. And then on Thursday, partly cloudy skies with a high of 73 and a low of 50. So rain starting off the weekend, should be cleared up by the end of it though. And then middle of the week next week, we'll be seeing thunderstorms again. So just be mindful of that. Get your umbrella out if you need it. Of course, the good news about the rain, always saying pollen gets washed away. Hopefully that will be dying off very, very soon. But that's going to do it for Live at 5 Weather Report and for tonight's edition of Live at 5. Of course, for the latest news, sports, and events happening here in Richmond County, you can always visit richmondobserver.com, or you can download the free RO app for your mobile devices. For the Live at 5 crew, I'm Russell Parker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, Richmond County.